Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn more about the non-JSX and JSX. So, you can see for the UI that we have created here for the app. So this is the JSX. JSX means JavaScript extension. Okay. If we don't use JSX, we can use the something like return or React. Okay, React, create element. The first is the name of the element, for example div, and then the prof I will put no, and then the content of the element hello world. Okay, and let's save it and run by using npm start. Okay, now you can see the hello world here. It's not inside in the center because we are not using the style for it. Because in the last code we use the CSS from the app here. We will learn more about this later. Okay, and to create the style for this element, you see the no value here. We will change it to the style. First, let's create a style constant div style equal an object, and inside it we create a color, for example with the value red, and in the div style we add an object. This is not object. Okay, we want to add something inside. We need to use these curly brackets and put something inside like style, and then the div style. Okay, save it and go back to here. You can see the hello world text color now is the red. Okay, so that is the JSX, non-JSX. So we won't do this when coding the React.js. Okay, we need to use the JSX instead. So let's reverse the code. Okay, and okay, for the style, you can see if you want to using a file CSS, you can use class name like this. You can see the app here. This is the CSS of CSS is using for this div element. Okay, and if you want to create a style, it's also very easy. Create a div style again, and also create a color red, and for the div or the age one, we can add a style and add the div style like this. Save it and go back to example. Okay, now you see the color was applied for the text hello J here. Now so in HTML, when you want to create an action like on click, right, you will add directly the function, maybe handle click div, something like this, right? But in React, in JSX, we need to use the curly bracket like this and add the method, the function inside them. So first we need to create a function to add function handle click div. Okay, we show an alert, and you put the function here, handle click div, like this. Save it and go back to example, click on it. Alright, you can see an alert here. We can also use the function inside the JSX. For example, we create a function name format the name user. We can return the user first name plus a space and user last name, like this. And you can create a prop for the user, create an object user, first name is Jade and last name is D, maybe. Okay, I'm missing the equal symbol here. Alright, and you can create hello using the curly bracket. Okay, the curly brackets is are very important in the JSX. Format name and put the user object and then save it. Go back to the example. Alright, now you see we have hello JD here. Alright, so I think that's all for this video. This is a short video for you to understand the JSX and non-JSX when working with the React.js. Okay, so this is some basic knowledge. Just practice and go with more interesting video with more interest knowledge. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in next video.